Today I'll show you a super easy way to make photos pop out of a circle. Let's get started. If you'd like to follow along with me, I've left a download link for this photo in the video description. The first thing we need to do is make a circle. To do this, click on the little triangle that's right underneath the rectangle tool, and then select the ellipse tool. Then, to make a perfect circle, just hold down Shift while clicking and dragging. And to reposition your circle, you can click and drag on the edge of it. Try to position it so that the model's face is completely covered by the circle, but the top of her head is popping out of the top of it. Next, we'll place the photo inside of the circle by making it a child layer. To do this, just click and drag on the photos layer and place it on top of the circle's layer. Now we need to make a duplicate copy of the photo. This duplicate copy will go on top of the circle, which is how we'll make the pop-out effect. To duplicate the photo, make sure that you have its layer selected in the Layers panel. Then press Command-J on a Mac or Control-J on a PC. Then drag the duplicate photo to the top of the layer stack. Now, the trick to making this effect work is to add a mask to the duplicate photo. But luckily for us, we only need to mask the parts of the photo that'll be popping out of the circle. So if I turn the duplicate photo off and on, you can see that we only need to mask the top of her head, since that's the only part of the photo that we want to pop out of the circle. But to make this mask, we first need to make a selection, so I'll grab the selection brush and make a quick selection of her head. Then I'll press Refine to refine my selection. With this dialog box open, we can paint around the edges of her hair, and Affinity will improve those areas of our selection. Now with our selection looking good, we're ready to add the mask. Then we can press Command or Control-D to deselect. The duplicate photo is now creating the pop-out effect, which I think looks really nice. But if you want this effect to look even better, I have a little bonus tip for you. Whenever I make this effect, I like to add an outline to the circle. To do this, just select the circle's layer, and then open the Layer Effects dialog box. From here, we can easily add an outline effect. I think an outline really adds a nice touch to this design by making the pop-out effect even more prominent. Well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next Affinity Revolution tutorial.